Hey guys, what time is it? Yes, it's a Dollar Tree haul time. So today is Tuesday and I think I have about 6 videos saved up in my phone because yesterday I said Monday, but I did forget Tuesdays also. So Mondays and Tuesdays I do not see patients. So those are the days I'll do my videos and my shopping, and after that I will see my home health patients. But first I just wanted to say something about the Dollar Tree super thick elastics that I got last time. I have one in my hair right now. These are amazing. First of all, like they're really tight, and I love, my hair is very thick, and I love that these, I only had to wrap it around twice, and I did not, all day long I usually have to go, oh, that actually hurt because it's so tight right now because it's been so tight all day. So I was really excited, guys. These I think are amazing. I love them. So with that being said, let me do my Dollar Tree haul, and right after that I'll do a fries haul, and then I think that is all of my hauls for the week. So you'll be seeing, I don't know. Anyways, so I wanted to do another DIY. So let me look in here. So for my DIY, I wanted to do like little Mickey and Minnie, like flower lollipop bouquets. So I got each of these, one each at the Dollar Tree. And just so you know, this little foam cup thing fits right on top, just like that. So you can put lollipops all around it and make it a big like bouquet kind of thing. So that fits perfectly in there. So this is the floral foam, and I got 2 of these, one for each cup, so that I can make my little bouquets. I picked up just these heart picks, 7 pieces for my mini bouquet thing. And then the lollipops. I could not decide, and I wanted it to be full of lollipops. So I got the Charms Mini Pops, tons of cool flavors. These are 35 pops, and they are 6.3 ounces. I got those. I picked up some Tootsie Roll Pops. There's 8 Tootsie Roll Pops in there because we all want a variety, right? Nobody wants just Dum-Dums. And I don't know why people think you can only use Dum-Dums. You can use all different ones. I picked up over 27 pieces, 12 ounces of bubblegum pops. And I liked these because they were pink, so I thought they would be cute in my Minnie Mouse one. Oh yeah, guys, there's more. I got these Charms Mini Pops, 35 cherry pops. Yes, got those. So that is 6.3 ounces. Oh, I got more. You would think I'm making a million, right? And then I did just pick up the regular, original Dum Dum Pops, 3.5 ounces. Just regular, yeah. Oh, there's more lollipops in here, guys. These are actually, I love these, so if I don't use these, I will eat them. These are Tiger Pops. It says great for classroom exchange. 20 pops. I don't know about you guys. I used to love these. They're strawberry and cream flavored. I loved these when I was little, so I will definitely eat these if I do not put them onto my little bouquets. I have it all piled up on my lap. So all of these suckers are going to go onto 2 little itty bitty bouquets. Might make a little bit more. And then I did pick up a From My Heart to Yours Disney 1.6 ounces Mickey hearts. And it just has milk chocolate hearts in it. And this is Sending Hearts 1.6 ounces of mini hearts. So my plan is, let me just show you. I'm going to put, this is the mini one, I want them to match. I'm going to put the lollipops all around it. And then put a skewers, oh gosh, Amy, so that this kind of sits in the middle with the lollipops all around it. I don't know that my plans always go as I want them to. I am losing suckers, guys. Yeah, if you saw my DIY the other day, or yesterday, or whenever this is going to come out. Anyways, if you saw my DIY, you will know that things do not always go as I plan them. But in my head, those are going to look amazing. I did pick up another one of the Mountain Trail Mix. My husband loves them and has been taking them to work. 130 calories, 4 grams of protein. They're 1 ounce each. And they have peanuts, raisins, M&Ms, milk chocolate candy, salted almonds, and salted cashews. So let's be honest. We all need something pre-portioned, right? Or we need to pre-portion it, because I cannot be the only person that will sit down with a bag of chips and eat like half the bag and then be like, first of all, I'm not still hungry. And second of all, That was so dumb. So anything pre-portioned you can just run and grab out the doors to make sure that you don't overeat is amazing. These last three things I got for my husband for Valentine's Day. It says milk chocolate flavored 2 ounces. I'm trying to figure out who this is in my driveway. I don't know who that is. Right under my son's basketball court. I guess we're about to find out, huh? I don't know if they're getting out of the car. I'm not sure. Okay, anyways, we'll keep going until they get out. So this says, love you forever. Me and my husband love dogs. So it says, love you forever. And that reminds me of my little thuddy poo. So I liked that. This one right here says, happy Valentine's Day, milk chocolate flavored candy, with my little thuddy poo again on there for my husband. Now, cards and stuff are amazing, but I like to kind of write what I want in my card. So I got this. It says, you make me so doggone happy. So this is a book. I'm going to give it to my husband as a card instead of just a card. And I'll just write what I want in here and tell him how much I love him and how much our family appreciates him. And then on top of that, he'll have little sayings that a kiss is a lovely trick designed by nature to stop speech when words become superfluous. I don't know. But anyways, that's, you know, you're in love when you can't fall asleep because reality is finally better than your dreams, by Dr. Seuss. So it says that the gift book features a unique collection of heartfelt quotes to help express your love for someone special. So this is like 20 cards in one. And I'll just write my thing right here, and it has exactly what I want, a dog on the front, and it has all the little sayings. So if I go through and some of them just really, really remind me of him. This one says, kisses are like tears. The only real ones are the ones you can't hold back. Whatever ones like really remind me of him, I'll just kind of put a little note in there. I just thought that was cute. So I'll give him that instead of a Valentine's card. Anyways, guys, that is my Dollar Tree haul. I'm going to do a Fry's haul sitting in this exact same spots so that I can get all my stuff taken in, get my son to football practice, get home and do a Zoom call, and cook dinner. I think that's all I have to do. So, all right, guys, I will talk to you guys later, and I hope you all are having a great day. Bye.